Hey guys, it's Bernie. Just doing a short disclaimer. Whatever you hear in this episode is only based on my opinion and experiences and does not represent the opinions and experiences of all students. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. This vlog is quite sponty kasi I should be studying right now, but I feel like I needed to do this vlog kasi it's also a way for me to unwind. Parang it's like my outlet siguro para malabas ko yung emotions ko para hindi siya nag-bottle up and to help me move on. Oh, nag-remote. Move on. Ano move on yan? It's relevant din ngayon. So, di ko sure baka makatulong sa inyo. So, why not? Diba? Kahit super down ko ngayon, whatever the outcome of this journey is, ang important naman sa akin, naka-reflect tayo. And as you can see naman, books yung background ko. Ngayon mga stuff ko eh. Bago tayo start, pakilala ko muna. Yes guys, sila yung mga nagpapa-sane sa buhay ko. Okay, so kailangan makilala niyo sila. This is Linus. From Linux. Linus siya kasi lion, tiger. Parang yung operating system ng Linus. To si Otto from Spider-Man. Si Dr. Octopus. To si CC, cybersecurity. So, guys, grabe. Inspiration. Inspiration, grabe din. Sila aking mga cheerleaders. Go Bernie, go Bernie. Bago tayo mag-start. Joke lang. Again, I have a list. I don't know how to classify whatever I'm gonna say in this video. So, number one is old habits. I felt like I lost myself. Hindi ko naman sasabing talagang totally bago. It's just that, may mga habits ako before na hindi ko na ginagawa. So, parang down ako kasi parang in that perspective, parang hindi ko nakakala sa sarili ko. Parang gagawin ko pa talaga yun. I try to remember a point in time where I felt victorious na. A point in my life where feeling ko ang galing-galing ko, ganun. So, this could be, freshman ka ngayon, nung high school ka, super goal-oriented mo, super organized sa schedule mo, very active ka, go back through time. I felt victorious, parang I conquered that era, I conquered that time, right? So, yun, that's what I did. I tried to go back. Kasi, di ba nga, I felt like, I'm lost already. I don't know how to navigate through life already. I was talking to myself, ano kayang gagawin niya ngayon at this point? Magagalit kayo sa akin. Nagbabago talaga tayo, guys. Pero, kaya ikaw with your siblings, diba? Parang, for sure, hindi na kayo the same people 5 years ago or 10 years ago, right? Pero, yung relationship niyo would stay the same. Kahit kaya ko talaga yung nag-uusap or hindi kayo nagkakasama in one area. Pag nagkita kayo, parang wala nagbago. May mga parts na nagbabago, may mga parts na nag-stay. Pero tulungan mong i-navigate ng sarili mo yung buhay through asking your past self. Ikaw lang din makakasagot. Kasi nga, you're talking about the same person. It's good kasi parang it gives you confidence na, wow, I'm asking advices from myself. Parang, whatever problems I'm going through right now, parang sarili ko lang makakasagot nun. Of course, from that, nag-reflect ako, tapos small steps, diba, baby steps, until na-build up yung grind na yun, and then, I was back in the game. Number 2 is never stop working. Siguro this is one of my favorite realizations. You know how, diba, puno-puno ka na exams, dire-diretso yung exam week mo, na super burnt out ka na, super fried na yung utak mo. Akala ko yun yung mga times na most likely, pwede ka mag-fail. Kasi nga, pagod ka na and all that, I feel like I was wrong. Diba pag diretso ka may exam, mas condition yung utak mo. Compared sa, kapag vacation mode ka, tapos biglang babalik kayo, tapos you have that week to prepare. Tapos the next week, exams na agad. So, kasi yun yung mga times talaga na I'm not performing talaga at my best. You have to wake up your brain. Pag kunyari August, tapos babalik ka sa school, diba? I realize, it takes me 1 week para bumalik, go back to study mode na yung brain ko. Like parang 1 week lang to, try to get used to the habit again of studying, ganun. Alam mo naman ito, nakalimutan mag-aral. Pero imagine mo, pag in this break, kunyari short break lang, pagbalik mo, dapat nag-aaral ka na. Di ba? Dapat di ka so technically 2 weeks kailangan mo. 1 week to, kind of settle down, and another week to study. Eh yun, 1 week lang eh. 1 week lang. Tapos pag next week, kaya yun, parang kapag exam mode na, hindi ka ready, doon ka pala babagsak. So yun na-realize ko guys is, wag ka naman totally mag-disconnect from your study life, from your academic life. Para hindi ka din mahirapan mag-transition back kapag, tapos na yung break. Hindi ka naman totally done with school eh. So, ayun, siguro maganda yun kapag mga December break, Christmas break. Pero, yung sandali na break, tapos totally disconnect ka. I advise not to. Hindi ko naman kayo mag-blame na talagang nakapagod, ayoko na pahinga ko. Pero yun, learn to prioritize too. So, may time for pahinga, pero huwag masyadong pahinga. Okay? Number 3 is move on. How to move on? Kasi pag iniisip mo nagmamadali ka, for example, nagmamadali ka, may kailangan ka pang gawin. Kasi dami ko na pwedeng gawin. Parang wala lang siyang space sa utak ko. Wala lang space yung mga ganong thoughts sa utak ko. Pero, yun nga, talagang normal yung i-absorb mo siya una, di ba? Natalo ka ng una or parang hindi ka nakapasa ng una. Iyak mo lang, okay? Walang po ibig ko sa iyak mo yun, labas mo yan. Di ba? Kailangan mo ilabas yan eh. Kasi naman mag-ipon-dipon siya later on, tapos sumabog ka na lang. Ako siguro na ako kapag talagang malungkot ako, dinadamdaman ko yung lungkot, malungkot ako. Tapos parang after nun, okay, I have to move on. Move on na. Di ba? Hindi ko siya pinapatagal. Lastly, actually, this is the reason for this video. Kasi I thought of this really good analogy. Nakatapos ng UAAP season 86, tama ba? For example, panghihinaan ka ng loob. Diba? Imagine mo, your favorite volleyball player right now playing in MOA or Araneta. Tapos yung volleyball player na yun, for example, hindi niya tamaan yung bola maayos, or naka-score ng 1 point yung kalaban, or yung natalo sila set because of ginawa niya. So parang sinisisi niya yung sarili niya na bakit pa kasi ganito, ganyan. Nasusuko na siya. Bago siya sumuko, she sees all of these clappers, she sees all of these people in yellow, sa yellow jackets, cheering every corner ng UST side. Di ba parang nakakapanghinayang kapag sumuko ka? Parang, imagine all of these people looking up to you. They admire you. Ang galing-galing mo. Parang unfair sa kanila na suko ka when di sila sumuko sa'yo ever since. Imagine mo, most of them were with you ever since last year, yung hindi ka pa gano'ng kilala, or were with you in all your trainings, in all your games, matalo man kayo manalo, hindi ka nila sinakuhaan. Andyan sila sa'yo until the end. And the reason why they keep watching, they see something in you. Diba? They see potential. Continuing with the example, yung volleyball player na yun, hindi na siya susuko. Kasi nakita niya yung support sa kanya. Ang point ko lang dito is, find a deeper purpose. Diba? Dig deeper. Kasi, ang daling sumuko, guys. Ang daling sumuko kung sarili mo iniisip mo. Na, ayoko na, pagod na ako eh. Pero kung if you're doing it for your family, if you're doing it for people like this, suko ka pero you're so overwhelmed by the support na, wow, ang dami pa rin nakasuporta sa akin. Di ba na nakikita kung gano'n ko insecure sa ginawa ko? Bakit nag-continue yung volleyball player na yun? It's not only her na iniisip niya in this fight, in this journey. Iniisip niya yung mga taong nag-look up sa kanya. So isipin mo yung mga taong naniniwala sa'yo. Mga blockmates mo naniniwala sa'yo, yung professors mo naniniwala sa'yo, yung friends mo naniniwala sa'yo, yung mga seniors mo naniniwala, they continue rooting for you. Again, di ko sinasabing huwag niyo i-absorb. Of course, kapag you experience something really bad, talagang dibdibin mo yun eh. Super malulungkot ka. And that's okay. Huwag ka ma-traumatize kasi nangyari siya. Right? Hindi mo siya ma-realize right now, pero oh, something good came out of it. So, diba? Ganda ng analogy ko.
Proud self, proud me.
Wag lang sarili mo isipin mo. Yes, I'm guilt-tripping you. Go back to your why. Huwag mo kalimutan kung bakit ka nandito in the first place. Huwag mong biguin yung mga taong na-inspire mo na. I wish you all the best, guys. I hope everyone finishes strong. And yeah. Well, let's go. Ace this, guys.